Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Karen and this channel is all about plus size clothing hauls, hair dye videos, product reviews, but I've decided to add in a weight loss vlog thing. Just go with it. So anyway, I just wanted to catch us up. In my last video was me week on slimfast where I lost 4.5 pounds, 4.25 pounds, something like that. Anyway, so that I started that on June the 1st and today it is October the something or other, 15th, something like that. Yeah, so 4 months. So I've been dieting for 4 months now. So I just wanted to kind of catch you up because I'm going to try and keep a record, a track, maybe do a monthly vlog about me diet. If you think I'm sounding a bit funny, I've just been loaded with cold, so that's why my voice is a bit funny. Where I'm at is, altogether I've lost 20 pounds. I haven't been weighed for 2 weeks though because I've been very naughty. So at my last count, I was 14 stone, 13 pounds and 3/4. So I managed to get under the 15 stone mark. I'll put where it is in pounds for you. That was a total loss of 20 pounds. So the first week on slimfast, I lost 4.5 pounds, something like that. Now since then, it's been quite a struggle. I've noticed that getting weighed weekly is not the best thing, but I still have to because that's like the law, isn't it? You have to get weighed weekly. But I've kind of trained myself to not be too disappointed if 1 week I've stayed the same or only lost 0.5 pound, because normally by the following week it's kind of working out to between about 3/4 pound to a pound a week weight loss. That's where it's working out over the course of the weeks, although it doesn't really feel like that. So I tried to carry on with the slimfast, but to be honest, in the end, I give up because I just wanted to have food for the same amount of calories. So that's what I did. I just had calories of food rather than calories of shakes. So I did the 1300 calories, but honestly, I was staying the same some weeks and it was just soul destroying, because I mean, it's not a lot of food. 1300 calories just doesn't feel a lot of food. Not compared to what I'm used to eating and stuffing my body with. So what I tried to do, which I did years ago, is do like an intermittent fasting. So one day I'll do 1300 calories, the next day I'll do about 600 calories, because my body tends to recognize straight away that I'm restricting the calories and slows my metabolic rate down. So I want to try and keep my body sort of, surprise, you're not getting 1300 calories, I'm only giving you 500. And then I'll make sure I have one cheat day to completely fool it. It's not really, it's just because I want something really nice on a Saturday. And that's the way I'm going to do the diet. So this is what I've been doing so far, is about 1300 calories a day, one day, 500 calories to 600 calories the next day. And then on a Saturday, I have a treat of whatever I want. I basically just go for it on a Saturday. Have a pizza, kebab, Indian, whatever. I have that on the Saturday, then I'm back on it on the Sunday. Back to like dieting on the Sunday. So like I say, I've had a couple of cheat weeks, so I'm not going to I didn't get weighed this morning because I thought I would just depress myself if I still wasn't under that 15 stone mark. So this is where we're at. So it's Monday, so I'm going to try and keep this as a monthly. I think a monthly vlog's probably going to be enough for you to bear. I mean, I'm not sure what let us know in the comments what kind of things that you want to see from me vlogs, without me sort of like going, this is me breakfast, this is me dinner, this is me tea, I'm having a cup of tea, I'm having an apple. It's just going to get really boring really fast, but I'll try and keep a record of it, and if I do any exercise and stuff, I'll try and take you along with this, but don't hold out too much hope, because in the summer I decided to play rounders and I've really hurt my foot, so there might not be too much exercise, but I hate exercise anyway. It's just hideous, isn't it? So like I say, it's Monday today. We're going to start again. I'll be getting weighed on Saturday. So every Saturday I get weighed. So Monday I started, yesterday I didn't, like, up until yesterday has been a really bad fortnight. So we'll see what I weigh on Saturday. So I'll just keep vlogging bits and bobs for you. Let us know in the comments what you would like to see, because I have no clue. So as I've said, it's Monday today. So Monday for me will be my down day. So my down day normally consists of about 600 calories. And what I usually do is I usually have a ham sandwich on that day. My diet really just tends to be ham sandwiches. So it's 3 o'clock now. So I've been out all morning, so I haven't really been that bothered. I haven't had anything to eat or drink, just mainly because I haven't been in the house. So I'll probably try and hold out till about 5 o'clock, and then I'll have my sandwich and a packet of crisps. That's what I usually have. I might have a sandwich now. I think I'm gonna have a ham sandwich now and a cup of tea, and then I might have another ham sandwich and another cup of tea later on. Right, so I've made a ham sandwich. So it's in this 50-50 Warburton's. I've got a thin slice of ham and a packet of French fries, which are 79 calories. I normally count about 250 calories for my ham sandwich, so that's 250 plus 79, which is 329, and a cup of tea. So I've just been shopping to Aldi, and I'm going to have another ham sandwich for my tea, but this time I'm going to use the smaller wholemeal loaf because these are lower in calories. So this per slice is 55 calories a slice. So I'll have 2 slices, a slice of ham and a packet of crisps, and I might have some fruit or a yogurt later on. So I've got my ham sandwich here. So that is about 140 calories, let's say, and I've got a packet of crisps, which is the cheese puffs, and they're 89 calories for the bag, so that's a total of 230 calories, let's say, and I'll have a cup of tea as well. Good morning, it's Tuesday, so I'm about to head out to work now. So I've just got me packed lunch and food for the day, so I'll just show you. So for breakfast I'm going to have strawberries. I'll probably not have all of them, but I'll probably have half of them, and a yogurt, and I've got a ham sandwich and a packet of crisps, and for snacks I've got a banana and some grapes. So that'll do us until I get home. Well, I'm back in from work. It's still Tuesday, unfortunately. So today what I've had is I had the strawberries and the strawberry yogurt for my breakfast. Then I had some grapes for a snack. Then I had me ham sandwich and a packet of crisps. And then as another snack I had a banana. And now I'm going to make fajitas. It is Wednesday today, and I'm just getting in from work. I didn't really have time to show you anything I was having this morning, so I didn't take anything to work. So today what I had was, for me dinner, I had the soup, which was a vegetable broth soup, and a 6-inch like baguette thing. And then what did I have? Oh, I come in and I had a packet of those, you know, those fish and chip things. I had a packet of those. And then I had a tangerine. And now I'm about to have another ham sandwich. Delicious. And probably a packet of crisps. It's supposed to be a down day, but I'm really hungry today. So I've just been out shopping, and I went to Primark. No, not Primark. I went to the pound shop, and I thought I'd show you my little find, and I thought it was quite good. It's this meal planner. So inside it's got the days of the week, and then it's got breakfast, snack, lunch, snack, dinner. So I'm going to try and keep a tally of all the foods I eat for the week. So I'll let you know how I got on. So, like I say, I've just got back from shopping, so I'm just going to have another ham sandwich and another packet of Cheetos. So, for the day, my total calories will be 640 calories. So this is me down day. Well, it's Tuesday today. It's actually 6 o'clock on Tuesday night. I just didn't have time to vlog anything this morning. I was in that much of a hurry to get out the house this morning. I was woken up by the physio. And at first I thought it was Sunday, and I was thinking, what's the physio working on the Sunday for? And then I eventually dawned on us that it was Tuesday. So I jumped out of bed and I went to work. And on my way to work I was thinking, is it Monday? It's Monday. I don't work on a Monday, and I was thinking, oh my God, I need to turn around and come home. And it really took some convincing to understand it was Tuesday. So I'd lost a whole day somewhere. But anyway, this is what I had for me dinner. I just had a salad. And I was very disappointed that they put them in this new horrible cardboard box thing, and there was no egg, even though the box clearly says contains egg. I was missing an egg, so I was either robbed or they've stopped putting egg into the salads at work. So that's all I've had to eat today. So I think I'm going to have some pasta and sauce, the packet mix for my tea. So I'll check in with you in a few. I've just remembered I did have something else to eat at work. I had a packet of Doritos because I was starving by the afternoon. It was obviously because the egg was missing from my salad. So tonight I'm going to have this pasta and sauce, which is 424 calories. So I'm going to have that. Well, hello, God, look me here, man. Hello, what day is it? It's Thursday. It's definitely Thursday today. So where were we today? Oh, yesterday I didn't video anything last night or yesterday. To be honest, I had a really bad day. I was so naughty. I had Weetabix for my breakfast, then I had a packet of crisps, and then I think when I came in I had a ham sandwich, and then I had another packet of crisps. It was supposed to be my down day yesterday. I did kind of veer off, but I don't think I had no more than 900 calories. But it was made up of a curly whirly, a packet of crisps, a couple of little packets of sweets. So we didn't have the best day yesterday in terms of healthy food, but as calorie wise, I still kept, well, I went over my down day limit of about 650 calories. But it wasn't too bad. So I do a late shift at work today, so I work 12 till 5 on a Thursday, so I'll take a sandwich. I'll probably make a ham sandwich to have later on. So I'll check in with you then. It's Friday today. I've not long been in from work. Today I had some strawberries and strawberry yogurt for my breakfast. Then I had a ham sandwich for my dinner and a packet of crisps, and now it's tea time, so I'm just wondering what to have. And I've had a pear, a plum, and a little packet of sweets. So I'm going to make me tea now.